Tired of spending hours creating animations in Blender? What if I told you there's a tool that automates professional animations with just one click? Introducing FusionFlow, the ultimate add-on for Blender that gives you Hollywood-level animations in seconds. Stick around, because today I'll show you everything this powerful tool can do. FusionFlow, a game-changing Blender add-on designed for product animations, physics simulations. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool will save you hours of work. Let's break it down. FusionFlow has free and pro features. FusionFlow comes with 30+ animation presets. Customizable easing and speed. You can tweak the speed, easing, and intensity of each animation. Smooth ease in, snappy bounce, it's all here. Batch animation. Animate multiple objects at once. Realistic physics in one click. FusionFlow makes physics easy. Just select an object, choose active or passive physics, and adjust mass, friction, and bounciness. Material presets: metal, rubber, glass, etc. Not sure what settings to use? Pick a material preset, like metal, rubber, or glass. FusionFlow auto-adjusts everything. The soft body tool lets you control stiffness and bounce. And with one-click baking, you get smooth simulations, follow predefined curves. Want an object to follow a path? FusionFlow has 10+ predefined curves. Just pick one and hit Follow Path. Animate entire collections along paths. Got a group of objects? Select a collection. Assign a path. And FusionFlow animates all of them together. Cloning feature. Say goodbye to repetitive duplication. With FusionFlow Pro's powerful cloning system, you can instantly create dozens of object copies, whether in a line, circle, or along custom paths. Break beyond boundaries with FusionFlow Pro's advanced fracture engine. From realistic cracks to cinematic explosions, add dynamic destruction and physics-based motion with just a few clicks. Grab FusionFlow from the link below. Let me know in the comments what animations you create. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one. Happy blending!
Do not forget to subscribe for new upcoming Blender add-ons.